Just like the previous years, this year the Mediterranean diet remains at the top for the best diet to go for. According to US News and World Report experts, this diet shows tremendous effects in terms of dietary issues, heart conditions, and diabetes. However, in 21st century, diets like DASH or intermittent fasting offer benefits over health too. So, what makes this Mediterranean diet so special among others? Unlike other diets, the Mediterranean diet always becomes top of the discussion as this diet promotes the traditional healthy lifestyle of people who are living in the Mediterranean Sea, including France, Greece, Italy, and Spain. Moreover, the most interesting fact is that though this Mediterranean diet varies by country and region, but general items like vegetables, fruits, legumes, nuts, beans, cereals, grains, fish, or unsaturated fats such as olive oil are seen to be common in every regional chart of this diet. As this diet does not focus on specific recipes like keto or Dukan diets, so people find it more well-balanced and convenient options to follow without worrying much. Moreover, while following this diet, you don't need to cut any foods from your dietary regimen, which means this diet gives you enough flexibility than others. Apart from general people, the Mediterranean diet remains a popular choice in the scientific community too. According to Dr. O'Keefe's insights, the Mediterranean diet got recognized as a gold standard for those who have or are at risk of heart conditions. And besides heart health, this diet shows promising effects against inflammations, diabetics, and age-linked cognitive decline also. And yes, all these reasons actually make this diet the ultimate winner among the rest. So whether you're young or senior, you can experience these exclusive benefits under this diet.
Thanks for watching our video. For more healthy experiences, subscribe to our channel and keep yourself updated by pressing the bell icon.